Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings from beautiful Bali Island. I am Tanya from BaliWonder.com Travel. We hope to find you well and always happy. Many people ask me, especially for those first-timer, what is the best thing to do and explore in Bali? Well, ladies and gentlemen, it offers a perfect mix of culture, nature, beaches, and adventure. But if I had to pick the absolute must-do experiences for first-timers, here's what tops the list.
Wow, this view is breathtaking.
Yes, let's get some photos.
Perfect morning light. It's truly remarkable.
It's breathtaking.
Absolutely beautiful. Cheers! Hello everyone, good morning from Bali Island. Wow, das ist so schön.
Let's explore the south of Bali with duration 10 hours on a full air-conditioned private vehicle day tour with a professional English-speaking driver as a guide. Visit Nusa Dua Beach for water sport activity, the Peninsula Beach for lunch, Garuda Wisnu Statue and Culture Park, the Uluwatu Cliff Temple, watching the Kecak dance, seafood dinner in Jimbaran Bay. We manage this tour for private individual travelers and small family group from 5 to 14-seater full air-conditioned vehicles. Guests can customize the itinerary based on their interest. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we hope you have great ideas how to explore the best of Bali. If you'd like to book this tour, please open the link on the description. Thank you very much and see you in paradise. Welcome to Bali. Let's explore the best of Bali with BaliWonder.com Travel, a professional travel planner with affordable fares.
This is perfect.
It really is. Let's go for a walk.
I'd love that.
This place is even more beautiful than the pictures.
Wait till you see the infinity pool up ahead.
Should we take the golf cart?
This is incredible, isn't it?
It's absolutely perfect. I never want to leave.
To us, and many more nights like this.
Cheers to that.